You can't see our site anywhere. eroticfragrance.com is not appearing on page one for any of these keywords. Okay, so at this point, I know you must be dying to see the results. See what difference running WP Ultra Auto on this Totally Dead site for just a couple of weeks, see what the results were and how we ranked on Google for all these different keywords. But before I do that, let me just quickly show you some of the great features that this theme has and talk a little bit about how it works. I know this demo's dragging on for a bit. I'll try to get through this as quickly as possible and then we'll jump back in and see the results. Okay, so before I jump in and show you the results, I know you must be really excited to see the results and see what difference we could make just by installing WP Ultra Auto theme on our Totally Dead website. But before I do that, let me just show you some of the amazing customization options that you get. I'll run through these as quickly as possible because I know you'd be excited to see the results, but I just want to show you some of the stuff, just give you a little taste of some of the stuff you can do. So this is the customization screen for the theme. You can see that this is how our website looks right now. It's eroticfragrance.com. This is what we've done. So basically, we've just used we've just set it up in a very basic option. We put some banner ads in here. We've got our posts with our images. The site's completely mobile optimized. It is SEO optimized. Everything's done for you. And I just spent literally 5 minutes doing this, but there's so many different customization options you can want. You can get this, you can get this to look exactly how you want it. We could have got all these, we could add different widgets to the content area. We've got all these different layout designs, so we can go for different ones here. We can choose where our sidebars go. You can have no sidebar if you want. We can choose different options for colors. Let's say we want to change the color of the sun on your site complete with pictures. And you may have noticed that if we just jump back to the example here, you may have noticed that with these posts we're getting lots of images. Well, you can make your images completely original too. So instead of just posting the content that comes within the original content, we can say enter perfume here. So we searched for perfume there, and you can see we get a huge selection of completely we've got full rights to use all of these, so there's no copyright issues with any of these photos. We're providing you with this huge library of images, and you can bulk select as many as you want, and they will be auto inserted in your posts. So instead of having the original post, so let's go back to the dashboard here. Go back to see the site. Instead of having the original posts like this, you can choose to have completely original different images. So not only will all of your text be completely original and human readable, all your images can be completely original too. Original for images, original text, a fully automated WordPress theme that ranks itself on Google and does literally everything for you. We've got dozens and dozens of options so you can set this up and have things as you want them. We've got loads of different spinning settings. So you can choose to have it span in exactly the kind of way you want. You can choose how unique you want it to be, how readable on a scale. You can choose to add intros, outros, maximum post lengths. You can choose to assign to different categories. There's just so many things that you can do. We even give you the option to add your own custom spin tags, and this is a more advanced feature, but there's just so much that this theme offers you to get your fully automated WordPress theme up and running. Okay, so yeah, that was a very fast run through of all the features, I know, but this demo is really dragging on now, and I'm sure you're desperate to see the results, see what difference we have made by running our own fully automated, human readable, original content to the site, and see how we've been rewarded by Google. So let's jump in and do that. Okay, so let's start with our exact match domain, erotic fragrance. Remember, our site is eroticfragrance.com. Let's see what happens. Hit enter. Bam. Page 1, number 1. We have gone from nowhere to page 1, position 1 in Google for our exact match domain. How incredible is that? Think of the value that we have added. Think of the return on the investment that you could get by getting your site to page 1, number 1 of Google with literally no work. Just install the theme, let it run for a couple of weeks. There you go. Okay, so we've tried erotic fragrance. Let's try on the other keywords that we did before. Erotic fragrances for women. Enter. Where are we? Boom. Page 1, position 4. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's try another one of the keywords that we had earlier. Let's try erotic fragrance for men. Let's scroll down. Where are we? Boom. Well, not as high up, but it's still another page 1 ranking. We're at the bottom of page 1 this time, but that is now 3 page 1 rankings for different keywords. And we've achieved just using WP Ultra Auto. Okay, so let's just jump ahead and do the last keyword, erotic perfume. That was the last one we tried. And there we go. Page 1, position 4. Another position 4, another page 1. So you've now seen the results for yourself. You've seen us rank the site on 4 separate page 1 rankings. You've seen us achieve position 1, page 1 for one of the rankings. We did it all by using WP Ultra Auto, the first ever WordPress theme that writes its own 100% original human content that is rewarded massively by Google. Don't miss out. Don't waste any more time writing your own content. Don't waste any more time struggling to rank on Google. Do yourself a favor, make things easy, get WP Ultra Auto today.